Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Marcel Verstappen and I'm Workstream Lead within the SAP Analytics Solutions area for the Enterprise Support Advisory Council. Today I will provide you an introduction of the ESAC 2021 workstream called SAP BW for HANA Maintenance Monitoring and Analysis. First of all, let's have a look at the project view of the workstream. The start of the workstream is an onboarding call that is used to provide an introduction to the program and the project setup. We will also assess the feasibility of the workstream for the customer. And of course, we will agree on the number of participants for the sessions that will follow in the execution phase. Within the execution phase, we will have 2 enablement sessions which will go into more detail on the topic of the workstream. The enablement contains presentations, short demos, and room for interactive discussion related to efficient operation and maintenance of an SAP BW for HANA system using the latest tools and features. One example is the web-based SAP BW for HANA cockpit. Furthermore, we will also include customer homework activities for the 2 sessions that could be used for discussion during our meetings. There's one more optional session for Q&A and feedback related to the enablement. After completing the execution phase, we plan for a wrap-up call to evaluate everything we did in the workstream and present the results. This wrap-up call is also the closure of the workstream. With this said, I hope I've provided you a good overview of the workstream SAP BW for HANA Maintenance Monitoring and Analysis. Thank you very much for your attention and I hope to meet you in one of our workstream sessions. Have a good day and take care.